question about a rule of thumb for the percentage response to surveys, like do we need 70% to consider it good quality? Yeah, the real issue here is about systematic bias. You know, if you had a low response rate, but they were entirely representative of the population, that wouldn't be a problem. But it's not usually the case. Usually the people who respond are systematically different. You know, they're either people, sometimes they're people who've had a really good experience with the project and so they want to give good feedback. Sometimes it's the people who've had a bad experience and they're wanting to complain. Sometimes it's the more articulate people whose voices are heard. So the response rate, it's likely that there's a systematic reason why. People who've responded are very different to the ones who and so if you just analyse the data, you will get quite the wrong view on it. The rule of thumb is which still means 20% of people are missing. It still means that often for minority groups, you're not going to be hearing from them. So even that sometimes is really inadequate. And approach called the total design method that looks at how to achieve a and it's a very high standard, but I think if you don't achieve that, you have real risks of survey your whole population. You actually draw a sample at the beginning and then you go up, you put the effort into it to get a very good response rate from your sample rather than a bad response rate from the whole population.